The cartridge malfunctions that you come across predominantly, right, the major ones, right? The first one is a misfire, okay? Does everybody know what a misfire is?
It doesn't go off.
Doesn't go off, exactly.
It doesn't project.
Exactly, you pull the trigger, nothing happened, right? Okay, we know it's a misfire. But we only know it's a misfire after 30 seconds. So you're on the range, and it will happen today, I guarantee it, right? I'll guarantee it with 2 rounds, it will happen today. You're firing on the range, click. What do we do? Well, we observe the golden rule. Yeah. Keep the gun pointed downrange for at least 30 seconds before we do anything, all right? And then, if it doesn't go off, it's a misfire, okay? If it goes off before 30 seconds, it's not a misfire, it's a hangfire, okay? And it's important to identify the differences, right? A hangfire is a perceptible delay. So if you think of the old TNT and the old fuse, yeah? You know, I don't know, whatever, the old cartoons, you like them.
Wiley Coyote.
Boom, right? That's what's happening in a hangfire, okay? The priming compound has gone off in the centre fire cup or the rim fire. Bang, right? The powder, let's say it got damp, right? Let's say it was badly stored, and we'll be talking about storage later on. It's badly stored and it got damp, or it's old ammunition, yeah, it's got bit damp. It's igniting, but it's slowly burning. Gas expand until there's enough gas to find the weakest point on the bullet, which is where it's crimped the bullet head and it pushes it forward. Yeah. So that becomes a hangfire. All right. So it's extremely dangerous, right? Because you don't know if it goes off. Some people start shooting, bang, bang, click. Oh no, whatever. They go to unload. You don't know for at least 30 seconds. All right. Yeah. Here, the maths of it, it's probably 10 seconds, all right? But like engineering, structural engineering, you know, multiplied by 3 is definitely not going to fall down. So we wait 30 seconds, all right? You wait 30 seconds, keep it downrange. If it doesn't go off, it's a misfire. If it goes off, it's a hangfire, all right? There is one other type, and I know the guys that have done the pistol shooting with me will know this, right? Because it's one of the most dangerous, right, for any range officer or any shooter. Does anyone hazard a guess what it is? The third type of malfunction. Squib load, right? A squib load. Does anybody know what a squib load is? A squib load is basically, let's say the bullet was manufactured pearly, all right, and there's not enough priming and not enough powder charge in it, or in fact there's no powder charge in it and it's just a primer, yeah? So you pull the trigger, bang, bullet head goes forward, but there's not enough energy for that bullet head to exit the muzzle. So what happens is, it goes back to the diameter of the bore, yeah? It gets wedged, yeah? There's not enough power for it to send it down the rifling, to give it stability and spin, and to leave the muzzle. So it's basically stuck in the middle. And of course, what's the worst thing that we can do? Stick another one behind it, alright? Pistol shooting, it's extremely dangerous, very hard to identify. We've come across it on a few occasions on the range, right? Very hard to note. A couple of things that will point a squib load to you is reduced muzzle flash, all right? Reduced recoil, reduced noise, yeah? Those 3 things will identify a squib load. What do? Stop shooting immediately, keep it pointed down range. 30 seconds, and then we deal with it, yeah?